Welcome to the Corporate Finance CME-5B course video. This course offers comprehensive preparation materials, including chapter summaries, a cheat sheet, flashcards, and mock exams. Chapter summaries distill the official syllabus into key concepts. Each chapter includes an overview, examinable areas, and common pitfalls to ensure thorough understanding. The summaries continue with additional exam notes, key numerical values, and potential exam traps, highlighting areas that require special attention for success. We transition to the remaining chapters, covering mergers and acquisitions regulations, and listing requirements, and corporate governance, all presented with the same detailed structure. The quick cheat sheet provides definitions, thresholds, and timelines you need to memorize. You can filter terms by categories such as offer of securities and corporate governance. Flashcards are an effective tool for active recall. They present a question based on key rules and facts, helping you commit information to memory. Click to reveal the answer and test your knowledge. This active recall process is optimized for effective memorization of key concepts and facts. The Mock Exam Hub offers 200 questions across 4 unique exams, designed to master different aspects of the course, from foundations to advanced topics. Before starting a mock exam, you'll see details on the number of questions, time limit, and the required passing mark. Review explanations are available after submission. During a mock exam, you face scenario-based questions, testing your practical application of corporate finance regulations. Progress is tracked, and time is managed. After the exam, the correction review provides detailed explanations for both correct and incorrect answers, solidifying your understanding of complex regulations. Finally, the AI Study Tutor is available to assist you. Ask questions about the course material, exam tips, or specific topics for personalized guidance.